Man, I'm so sad that Chris just broke his Wii party over losing. What should I do? Oh, I have a great idea. How about I go to the retro gaming store to get the Wii party a replacement so she can continue his game. What are we waiting for? Let's go. Alright, we're here. And now let's get the replacement. Oh look, there it is. Let's go get it. I'd like to pay for Wii Party, please. Okay, that will be $60. Here you go. Thank you. Have a nice day. Man, I can't believe Chris broke my Wii Party game last week ago. Hey Penelope, I have a surprise for you. Really? What is it? I got you a replacement of Wii Party. Wow. Thank you so much, Billy. You're my hero. You're welcome, Penelope. I always come here if there's something wrong with you. So, enjoy your game. Okay, thank you. Bye. Bye. See you next time. Billy, we have some awesome news that you gave a replacement of Wii Party to Penelope. She deserves this kind of treatment after Chris broke her old one. That's it. You are ungrounded. So let's go to Chuck E. Cheese for your reward. Oh boy, Chuck E. Cheese, here I come. Thanks, Dad, Mom, Molly, and Olivia. You four are the best. You're welcome, Billy.